All right, let's do this last one, and then you guys got to do the rest on your own. It says that the graph shows a scuba diver ascent over time. Use the graph to write an equation of slope intercept form. So on our last two examples, how did we find our slope? How did we? Well, on the last example specifically, yes. Yeah, so she's saying, look, we found the slope this way. We said y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So can I find 2 points on the graph? Yeah. What is this point here? That's the y-intercept. Technically, that's the b, isn't it? Yeah, so b equals -6. Now, this also represents the rise over run. So when we have a graph, we don't even have to calculate. We just count the rise over run. So if I want to figure out the rise, the next thing I need to do is I need to find a spot where I think it crosses. So what I do is I find the graph and I want to make sure it crosses right on the grid. This looks close, but this looks better. Yeah, so let's do this. What is that point? Well, that point is 80, right? Because this is the x value, 80 right here, comma 0. Oh, why did I do that? 0, 0. Now, I can count up. So my rise then would be, this is where we got to really pay attention. 1, 2, 3, but we're counting by 2. So my rise is 6. Okay. So my rise is a positive 6 because I'm going up, correct? Now my run, if I start here, I'm counting by 10. So it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So my run is 80. All right. They're both even numbers. So that means they're both divisible by 2. So if I divide this by 2 and I divide the bottom by 2, I get 3 over 40. Now 3 is a prime number, so that can't be reduced. That's my slope. Okay? That's my slope. And I know what the y-intercept is. So I could write the equation y equals 30 over 40 times x minus 6. Now, it might ask for the decimal approximation. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, I don't think it... Well, we could try it this way. Did you try it with the fraction? Okay, so we're going to say y equals, put our fraction in, 3 over 40 x, and what was it, minus 6? Minus 6. You got to put the spaces in. Parentheses around what? Well, let's try it this way and see. See? So that's not that hard. Okay?